English at work. Hi, English learners. I'm sure you know how it feels not to know English well at work. Here is the first episode of what you need to know for English at work. It is a series. Watch the playlist to learn more about work and business English. At the end of the video, we also have idioms you need to know, so watch until the end. Let's go. Get ahead. Get ahead means to be successful in your job. Examples: he trains every day to get ahead of his competitors. To get ahead in a job like mine, you must be responsible. Take on. Take on means to accept a job or responsibility. Example: to become successful, you need to take on a lot of responsibilities. She decided to take on the new project at work. Stand down. Stand down means to leave an important job or position. Example: he stood down as chairman in 1998 and Mary Manson took over. Due to health reasons, the politician said that he would stand down from his position. Take over. Take over means to start doing a job or responsibility for something that someone else was doing. Example: he stood down as chairman in 1998 and Mary Manson took over. When our teacher got sick, a substitute had to take over the class. Fix up. Fix up means to provide or arrange. Example: could you please fix up a meeting with the boss for me? She fixed up a meeting between the two companies. Pull together. Pull together means work as a group in order to achieve a goal. Example: the team needs to pull together to finish the project on time. Please remember, your teamwork is the key to success. During the crisis, the community pulled together to help those in need. Tied up. Tied up means to be so busy at work that you are unable to speak to anyone or do something else. Example: I can't come with you tonight. I'm tied up with the new project and I'm going to stay in the office until midnight. Sorry, let's talk about it another time. I'm tied up with the quarterly report. Slave away. Slave away means to work so hard with little or no rest. Example: he's been slaving away at the office every night this week to meet the project deadline. She's been slaving away in the kitchen all day to prepare the perfect Thanksgiving dinner. Squeeze in. Squeeze in means to arrange to do something or meet someone when you don't have much time. Example: even though my schedule is busy, I can squeeze in a quick coffee with you tomorrow morning. I have a packed schedule, but I can squeeze in a meeting with the client before lunch. Chase up. Chase up means to ask someone to do something he said he would do but has not done yet. Example: chasing up your teammates and making sure they're doing their job is not a thing that I like. I need to chase up the supplier to confirm the delivery date for our order. Now let's learn idioms. To be at the bottom of the career ladder. It means to be in a low position at work. Example: when I started my job, I was at the bottom of the career ladder. Though he's at the bottom of the career ladder now, he has great potential for growth in the company. Climb to the top of the career ladder. It means to get to a top position at work. Example: it takes a lot of time and persistence to climb to the career ladder. She has a clear plan to climb to the top of the career ladder, starting with gaining experience in multiple departments. Step into someone's shoes. It means to take over someone's job. By the way, do you remember what did take over mean? Example: after the manager retired, I was asked to step into her shoes and take over the department. When the lead actress fell ill, her understudy had to step into her shoes and perform. That's it for part 1 of the English at Work series. Subscribe for more lessons.